Greetings children, welcome to the online classes. This is Aishwarya. Please like and subscribe the channel for the further updated videos. The following video is for class 1, subject General Science, chapter 13, Planet Earth, part 5. Now, as this will be the last video for this lesson, let us revise from the beginning. What is planet Earth? The Earth is the only planet that has life on it. Okay, it is the only planet which has water in the liquid form and has enough oxygen for living things to breathe comfortably. Then what is a globe? A globe is a small model of our planet. Then our planet is covered with 71% of water. Either the water, most of the water is frozen or it is salty, it is undrinkable. Then the other water bodies. What are the other water bodies? Ponds, lakes, rivers, seas and oceans. Ponds means small water bodies surrounded by land on all sides. Lakes are large water bodies surrounded by land on all sides. Rivers, long flowing bodies of water. Sea, both body of salt water surrounded by land. Ocean, a huge body of salt water larger than seas. Oceans cover 3/4 of the surface of water. Then we learned what is freshwater bodies and saltwater bodies. Then we came up to the concept of land. The earth's surface that is not covered by water is called land. Land is not the same everywhere. Some landforms have distinct features, right? Sometimes you're going up, sometimes you're going down. The different landforms have different, it looks different. So we are going to see what are the different landforms. The different landforms are PLAINS plains, MOUNTAINS mountains, VALLEY valley, ISLAND island, FORESTS forest, DESERTS deserts. So first one, plains. Plains means some areas that are flat. Flat lands are called plains. Okay, speciality of the plains is most people live on the plains and most of the food that we eat like rice, wheat, pulses, vegetables and fruits grow on these plains. Okay, a slightly higher places, higher lands are called hills. Some part of the lands are higher and they are called hills. Some part of the land are higher, they are called hills. Then very high lands are called mountains. These mountains can reach up to the sky and above the, not above the, it can reach up to the clouds and above the clouds also. Okay, these are very tall mountains. Okay, and these mountains are usually covered with snow and the mountains are usually cooler than the plains. Okay, the fruits that like apples, plums, cherries, peaches, etc. grow on hilly regions. Fruits like apples, okay, you can see the apple tree, the plum tree, the peaches tree, the cherries tree growing on the hilly regions. Next is valleys. Now we saw about the hilly regions or the mountains, isn't it? Now there will be a place in between the mountains like this. You can see both the pictures, no? On the pictures, if you stand in the middle, you can see mountains on both the sides. So valleys are the low area of land between hills or mountains. Valleys are low areas of land between hills or mountains. Okay, that it in between where both the mountains will touch, no, there will be a plain. It's not necessarily a plain, it can be small area where you can cross by. Such areas are called valleys. Next is island. Look at the spelling of island. S is silent. So it is ISLAND, island. Island means the land, islands are the landforms surrounded by water on all the sides. Now, water that is surrounded by land on all the sides are ponds and lakes. Okay, but the land that is covered with water on all the sides are islands. Okay, some areas of islands are covered by trees while some are not. In the first picture you can see the island is empty, there are no trees. The second picture is has islands which has lots of trees. Okay, then comes forest. What is a forest? Forests are areas that have dense growth of trees. Dense means lot, many number of trees will be there. Such places are called forests. Forests are very very important for animals. Okay, many wild animals live in the forest only. Okay, and we get many resources also from the forest only, like the trees, or if you want honey, all these things we get from the forest only. The last landform is the deserts. Deserts are sand covered areas of land with very less water and plants and trees. Be open land and it will be completely covered with sand. Okay, and there be very less water, very less plants or trees. Okay, that you understood. These are called the deserts. There is one kind of land that is some areas are permanently covered with snow or ice. Throughout the year it will be covered with snow or ice. In the polar regions like the Arctic regions, there the land will be always permanently covered with snow. Okay, throughout the year. Such places are also present. So I hope you understood this lesson. Stay at home, stay safe, stay safe, children. Take care of yourself. Keep learning. Try to do the exercises in your textbooks as well as your workbooks. Thank you.